Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Kumar channel. Myself Dr. Sivajyoti. In our previous videos you have seen how to manage the pain and the swelling, and in our second video you have seen how to go for the flexibility exercise. Once the pain has come down, you can start with the flexibility exercise, and at the same time you can go on with the strengthening of the exercise. But when you are doing the strengthening exercise, you should take care of the pain. Means if the pain is more, don't go for the vigorous strengthening exercise. Start with the less repetitions and gradually progress with the more repetitions. Now let us see with the exercises what we should do in order to strengthen the muscles around the elbow joint. The first exercise is isometrics. For all the exercises, for doing the isometrics, the person should sit in a chair with the hand supported on the table as shown here. Now how to do with the wrist movements up and down. When you are doing this is the normal movement. You just show the movement once, up, down, up, down. Now we have to resist those movements with the help of the other hand. Give the resistance to the movements. Now doing the resistance for the upward movement. You make sure that you apply a constant pressure so that you won't allow any movement at the wrist joint. Now hold that resistance for the 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again apply the resistance to the upward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You have to do this movement for the 10 repetitions, 3 sets. The next one is the downward movement of the wrist. The same way how we have applied the resistance for the upward movement, always the resistance should be applied in the direction of the, means where you are placing the opposite hand should be placed on the direction of the movement side, and the resistance should be given in the opposite direction. Now try to do the wrist downward movement, and with the other hand you try to resist that movement by giving the upward pressure, upward resistance. Hold it for the 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. This also should be repeated for the 10 repetitions and 3 sets. The next exercise is in the same position. You should move the hand in the upward and downward direction. That is, in the previous exercise we have turned the palm down, but in this exercise we have to go for the thumb up position, thumb pointing the ceiling. So in this you have to go for the upward and downward movement of the wrist. Do the movement now. Up, down, upwards and downwards. Now you have to resist this movement. The resistance should be given for the upward movement by placing the hand on the upward direction. Now resist the movement. Hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the downward movement of the wrist. Now the resistance should be given on the lower aspect, that is on your little finger side. You just apply the resistance in the opposite direction and you try to move your hand into the wrist into the downward direction. That movement should be resisted with the other hand. Now resist the movement and hold it for the 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again do the same movement. Give the resistance to the upward direction. That means you should try to move your hand downwards, and the resistance should be there onto the upward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next exercise is turning of the palm upside and downwards. Okay. Do the normal movement, downwards and upwards. Once the palm facing the ceiling and once the palm facing the floor. Now we have to do the resistance, or we have to give the resistance for this movement. Now doing for the upward movement, means palm facing the ceiling. Okay. The resistance should be applied for the movement for the palm facing the ceiling. Yeah, give the resistance and try to turn the palm upwards. Should maintain that position for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. The next is palm turning downwards. That's the palm turning towards the floor. Now the resistance should be given onto the anterior aspect of the forearm. Okay. Now you turn, try to give the resistance and try to turn the hand or the palm downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next exercise is elbow movement in the upward direction and the downward direction. This movement can be done in the different ways. One is with the palm facing upwards and the another one is thumb facing the ceiling. Next is palm facing downwards. The resistance should be given for all these movements in the upward direction and the downward direction by varying the hand position. The first one is palm facing upwards. Now try to move your hand upwards and give the resistance with the other hand in the downward direction. Yeah. Hold that position for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the resistance should be shifted onto the downward movement. Yeah. Apply the resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now change the position of the hand, thumb pointing the ceiling. Now try to do the movement of the hand, elbow upward and downwards. Now give the resistance to the upward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the resistance onto the downward movement. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now change the position of the hand, palm turning downwards. Now do the movement. Yes. Now apply the resistance for the upward direction movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the resistance for the downward movement. Apply the resistance in the to the downward movement. Hold that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next exercise is with the help of the TheraBand. We will do this exercise to give the resistance. These TheraBands are very much easily available in the market. I will share the link in the description box. TheraBands comes in different colors from the which will offer the low resistance to the high resistance. Initially you start with the TheraBand which will be offering the low resistance. Gradually you can increase the level of the resistance by changing the TheraBands. Now the first exercise is the wrist movement upwards and downwards. So for that you have to stabilize or place the other end of the TheraBand under the feet and hold the another end with your hand. Now do the movement of the wrist, upward movement and downward movement. Now do the wrist upward movement. Do it. Hold that position for the 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again do the upward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now movement of the wrist by facing the palm downwards. Now do the movement, upward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it back. Again do the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the previous exercise, we have faced the palm to the ceiling. Now in this exercise, just notice that our palm is facing to the floor. The next one is thumb facing the ceiling. Now you have to do the movement in the upward direction. Okay. Yeah, the same manner. Yeah, relax. Now do the movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. For all these exercises, make sure that your hand is resting on supporting surface. Now you can see that here the hand is resting onto the armrest of the chair. The support should be given and your wrist should be out of the supporting surface so that the movement takes place at the wrist freely. Next exercise is movement of the wrist. For this exercise, you have to place the TheraBand under the opposite leg. Now do the movement towards your little finger side. For this exercise, your hand should be positioned such that your palm faces downwards and do the movement towards the little finger. Again do the movement. Now hold that movement for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3. Next exercise is movement of the wrist towards the little finger. For this, you have to place the one end of the TheraBand under the feet and the other end should be grasped with the hand. Now do the movement towards the little finger. Hold that position for the 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again do the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next exercise is movement of the wrist by placing the hand in such a way that our palm faces the floor. Now do the movement with the help of the other hand. Take the wrist in the upward direction and now when you are getting it down to the neutral position, do it very slowly and in a controlled manner. Yeah. Go it slowly. Yes. Continue it slowly. Okay. Now do it again. With the help of the other hand, lift it up. Now while coming down, come down slowly in a very controlled manner so that the eccentric contraction of the muscles takes place. One end should be tied to the hand and the other end should be stabilized under the feet. So this is the here we are doing the elbow bending. This also will be done in the 3 positions with the palm facing the ceiling. Now this one is with the palm facing the ceiling. Straight, bend. This will help in increasing the strength of the muscle. The same thing with an thumbs up position, thumb pointing towards the ceiling, bend, straight, bend, straight. All these exercises can be done for the 10 repetitions. The same elbow bending and straightening with an palm facing the floor. Now bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. This is all these movements will be done for increasing the bending. Now the next is increasing the straightening. So here affected hand is the left hand. So with the help of the unaffected hand, we'll be going for straightening. Now the left hand is coming for the straightening. Straighten. The same straightening can be done in another position also, that is in the lying down position. One end should be grasped with the hand and the other end of the TheraBand should be tied to the cot. From the bending position, we will be taking our hand into the straighten position. Straight, bend, straight, bend. Yes. Straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend. These exercises also can be done for the 10 repetitions. The same thing is being shown in a 3 positions with the palm facing the ceiling and the palm facing the floor and in a thumbs up position. Bend. Now straight it. Bend. The next exercise is turning the hand upside and downwards. That is the palm facing the ceiling and palm facing the floor. Now this one what I am showing is for the palm facing the ceiling. Now the next one is the palm facing downwards, turning the palm to the downwards. Next exercise is rowing movements of the hand. The TheraBand should be fixed onto the some supporting surface or onto the wall and you have to do the rowing movements of the hand. Now see how I am doing the movement. Take your hands backwards and hold that position for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next exercise, wall push-ups. The way how we will do on the general push-ups, the same way you should do on the wall. For this, you have to place your hands onto the wall and now move forward. Maintain this position for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come back. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Now you have seen what exercise should be done in order to strengthen the muscles in case of the tennis elbow. The exercise should be increased gradually and when you are doing the exercise, if you are getting a pain, reduce the repetitions, do it for the 5 to 10 times. That too depends upon your pain intensity. The pain is more, do it for the 5 times, then gradually increase the exercise frequency or the repetitions of the exercise should be increased. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.